How to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, open up your MoonPay app. After you open up your MoonPay app, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, what you'll need to do is simply check out your MoonPay app. Just let it load. Now there we go. So here you will need to scroll down till you find the popular assets. Now from here you will need to choose on Bitcoins. So tap on Bitcoins. And after you tap on Bitcoin, what you'll need to do is tap on Buy Bitcoin. In this page, you will be able to see the value of Bitcoin too. After you tap on Buy Bitcoin, you'll get redirected to another page. Now this can be a little slow depending on where you live. So wait for it till it gets loaded, and here you will be able to buy Bitcoin for different prices right here. As you can see, just tap on one, or you can put your own values too. So after you've done that, simply tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, it will take some time to load again. But after it does, you will need to provide your information. So after you provide your information, what will happen is you will need to give in a payment method, that is whichever payment method that you normally use. You can use an existing wallet or you can use your MoonPay account too. After you select one, you will need to type in your Bitcoin address. After you type in your Bitcoin address, what you'll need to do is, again, you will need to choose for a payment method. You can choose your bank card or your manual bank transfer. After you do that, you will be able to buy your Bitcoin, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.